Hey guys, my name is Kevin Martinez and we're here in Southern California, and what we have here today is my 2018 Honda Civic Type R. So me, Rex, and Peace were emailing back and forth, just trying to figure out a good setup with the BBS LMRs on the car. So we decided to do a white caliper with gold lettering and then a red rotor hat. Drilled and slotted, 365mm in the front and then a 345 in the rear. So the car from factory comes with a Brembo upgrade already. So I mean, the brakes from factory, they felt okay. After transitioning with R1 and getting the brakes on, I noticed a pretty significant difference. I mean, it stops on a dime. Yeah, so a couple of days ago, I had your R1 big brake kit on already. I was on a 101 freeway. It was bumper to bumper traffic, going about 40 to 50 miles an hour. The car in front of me stopped all of a sudden. I had maybe a car gap in front of me. So by the time I looked up, I was maybe inches away from hitting the car. Luckily, with your R1 big brake kit, it stopped on a dime, man. I mean, not even all the way, but I lightly tapped the brakes and it stopped right away. I mean, if it was the OEM brakes that came from factory, it would have been a different story, but I definitely think the R1 big brake kit makes a huge difference. That's real. That's actually real. That was real.